Domestic buildings can vary significantly in size, from an apartment of less than 50 square meters to a villa of more than 400 square meters, from 1 or 2-story buildings to apartments in high-rises, all with the common characteristic that they are homes. And whatever the size or type of home, they all share the need for a sufficient and stable water pressure. In domestic buildings, pressure boosters can be used to boost water from a number of different sources. However, not all pressure boosters are the same, and in order to choose the right one for the job, it is essential to understand the application type, such as boosting from water mains, shallow well, water storage tank, roof tank, or using a transfer pump. The key to figuring out which type of pump to use lies in the specific application. This eCademy course will introduce you to some of the most important characteristics to keep in mind when selecting a booster pump for each application type. Boosting of mains water. The pressure of mains water varies significantly with changes in demand. To stabilize water pressure in the domestic building, a booster pump can be installed to boost and/or equalize pressure, if this is allowed by local legislation. To learn how to select the right pump for the boosting of mains water, watch the mains water module. Shallow well. Pumping water from a shallow well requires a pump that can handle the negative inlet pressure and often outdoors installation. To learn how to select the right pump for boosting from a shallow well, visit the shallow well module. Water storage tank. Water storage tanks can be placed above or below the ground, have fluctuating water levels, and often contain debris and impurities. These are just a few of the things to keep in mind when selecting the right pump for boosting from a storage tank. To learn more, see the water storage tank module. Roof tank. A water storage tank can also be installed on the roof, in which case the conditions on the roof must also be considered. Or under the roof. To learn how to select the right pump for boosting from a roof tank, go to the roof tank module. Transfer pump. For transferring water from one tank to another, you need a pump that can move the water as quickly as possible when needed, and typically in an upwards direction. To learn more about the characteristics of transfer pumps, check out the transfer pump module.